Mr. People, what a piece of calamity on social media. What a piece of drama. Kingston 13. You know, easy, you know, guys, rock and come in like and share people. Because we get to understand, say, Ashanti, I report Kingston 13 live. Allegedly, people. That is what Kingston 13 is saying. So right about now, people, Kingston 13 is a backup page because Ashanti on reporter now. The man report the woman page. Or maybe him tell all them supporters themselves to report our page. Me say, what a situation, what a drama. Kingston 13 get blocked off of Facebook right now, people. And you know, she have to use a backup page. So me say, guys, Jaja, if that is true, Ashanti is a big waste, man. You see me? The man run from the war. The man run from the war. The man cannot manage it no more. Too much things that come out. Too much expose that go on and thing right about now. So Ashanti in a hiding right about now. Even in a sense, 13 say you must stop talk about sore foot. I need to answer everything at all that I have to say to you. People, 13 drop some bomb there. Like we drop down like Iraq and Israel. Me I say to myself, say, John, Ashanti house must shake up right about now. Anyway, I tell him they must in the dark right now. He must in the dark right now. When they bomb, they drop in them house. Light gone, water gone, everything gone. You see me? Because people, 13 are in the on the head. She dey on the spot like oh TVJ dey on the spot. I read the news. Me I tell you, 13 now ramp with Ashanti. She a put him in place. You see me? She make the world know everything at all what go on. She make the world know what them need to know what go on about Ashanti people. And I never know so much thing that go on behind the scene. You see me? Because it seems as if Ashanti tell 13 all them business or the other way around. You know, say 13 intel na normal. So maybe 13 have our spy. You know what the thing go. Big up yourself, 13. You see me? You drop the bomb them on them. Yeah, the bomb drop on me, I tell the people. It ain't normal. Me, I tell the people, 13 have some things about her. Her memory no normal. She remember some things that 2-3 years back. She read out Ashanti file like how you read out your book, like you read a story. You see me? Or you do a eulogy at a funeral. Me, I tell you, how you thing come out. How you thing come out about Ashanti. About him mother, you see me? When I go to Jamaica, the woman, the plank woman, major mine him. And when people can't give him things, him custom and rush them. Me I say, Jesus, peace. Is this true? Is this true? Ashanti, you need to come forward and answer Kingston 30 because right about now, she just have you like a baby, you know? Yeah. You're like a baby right now. She have your rocket to sleep right now in your crib or in her hand. A rocket and put baby back in your mouth and breast in your mouth. And you go sleep right now. The whole street attack. You need to come out and come better and come, you know, you're there boxing match. And round one you get knocked out already. Come on, man. Get up off your foot, man. Get up off your foot. Yeah, get up off your foot and come knock out 30. Make 30 know say you're a man run things. You see me? 13 still attacks to the 8.5 now work. You need to come on and come clear up your name, man. It no look good, man. It no look good. You have to come with better things. You see me? You have to come with better punch and things for Ricardo and grow. Because right about now, you let them now connect, you let them soft. You let them soft. You see me? You're not putting the effort and the work and thing, yo. The people they might wonder what is going on. They might say Ashanti this. I know Ashanti this. I know different smart this. Because the way you go on bad on social media, I think say 30 will be able to fly to you. I just box along and that's it. But 13 say yo, from March, you fasted there. From March, you throw wood. You see me? And from March, you drop bomb. And she say yo, she just sustain the word them bomb there. And come out for you with her rifle and just beat over your head. You see me? And you see it now? You get scared right now. You can't answer to 13. 13 no what go on. 13 is up to the time. You see me? At 13 is a Gaza, you know. I know I go you say because you're dropping and they go you more than one time when they bomb them, they caught you. Mr. People, 13 are normal guys. When 13 attack people, you have to just listen and laugh. You see me? 13 are ramp with Ashanti. 13 say, yo, you report my life. But no matter how you report my life until me still a come back, you can't stop me from talk. See me? You cannot stop me from talking. I'm not gonna stop talk. I'm not gonna stop expose some things about you. See me? Because he's a dirty man on social media. I hope a thing you go on with. You see me? Me I say people, there's so much problem Ashanti involved in her. There's so much things him been doing under the quiet. If your man have so much mouth, if your man run off his mouth so much and go like him bad, how can you go like your bad and full of so much mouth and you make 13 and beat you up like a baby? Basically, you put the sweet in your mouth and take it out of your mouth and your ball, she put it in your mouth again. You just look a baby to 13, so you have to just understand that. And to me, you're not going to recover back. You're not going to recover back and thing. And then Maxine on the other hand too. I'll lick up the head and thing. Lick out how you sense them. And the Maxine know things about you. Because the whole Janet situation I've been hearing for a good while now. See 13 come with it and I manifest it. So you can true. So you have to come forward and tell the people them who are going. The people them who want to know who are going. The followers them want to know who are going. The followers them curious. And I must say, wait, oh Ashanti I get beat up so. Oh Ashanti I get lick up so. Ashanti somebody where full of mouth and full of style. What is going on here so? Oh him get so much beat up. Him turn a baby right now. Me say people, me say what a situation. Ashanti? No sir. You're losing it, bro. You're losing it. You're losing it. That's how you see, you know. You said, don't trouble Zion. When you say the lion at sleep, do not trouble him. See me? Do not trouble you. Because you never know 13 have so much ammunition upon you. 13 have weapon left, right, and center. You look like 13 supply weapon. You see me? Our mouth that weapon, she not normal when she spit it. When she spit her rhymes, and thing, Ashanti have a back up and go sit on one side. You see me? See it now? I come at the same thing, sore foot and that and all kind of nonsense. While 13 will sit down and I light her spliff. And I say, look at this fool. And then she run out upon him again and whop him up. Whop him up. See me? We get friends and say Ashanti up on the phone with Laurie and me I say people, no sir. This not normal. I will get friends to be a woman that mind him. Me I say guys, 13. Why you do it? Why you make know so much thing? Jaja. Expose everything at all. Boy, I'm more for drop. So Ashanti, if I mean like you right now, I'm going to switch the topic and go talk about somebody different car. Right now, you know good on your side. You know good none at all. 13 have your head away. At 13 have your head like a punching bag. Yeah, so you have to just go try something different. Go change your style and come with something different. Cause right about now, 13 nah ramp with you. She nah play with you. A serious whoopings are going right about now. A serious knockings and a joke thing. And a round 1, a round 2, a round 3. Kingston I got to 5 and 6 round now. You see me? So you got 1 and 2 round where you drop and thing. You're not gonna make it. You have to come good. As me say, you can make a DJ, we play the whole time bad song them and then flop. And the next DJ just a warm up fame and thing. You have to come in at the war with a purpose and a meaning and come good. Nobody come with a baby thing and thing, the soul food thing and the voice note thing. You have to come with evidence and facts. You see me? When I say you're hungry and thing, you have to come with evidence. You have to talk about what you do. Fear. You have to talk about heavy little thing at all. You see me? And if she eventually win, as we know she do, I saw it go. And your first defeat on social media, and you have more to come because remember, you was not the baddest. Yeah. And you can't use them out and frighten the people because people can eventually remember say, say him for be a mouth on social media and see it, 13 and does him out. Me say guys, what a backside. Oi, Ashanti, I've got to sit down here, man. See me? 13, you got to change your pampers right now because you're a baby. Because no matter how, even if me can't cuss and thing, me can't make a woman know so much thing about me and expose me, so. I don't good for argue with women same way still. But you can't see it, still lose the buckle. What guys? Best of yourself, yeah, man, I respect. We even talk down with our people, because right now, my son is, if you go in bed right now, because 13, he look like a baby and 4 people. Best of yourself, we chat soon.